So, welcome friends. Uh, Today I unbox another very important product. This is not a laptop or any other computer peripherals, but this is very important if you are a YouTuber. So actually, when you when you see that I unbox any product from Flipkart or any other e-commerce site, then you can assume that this must be a mystery in this box. So okay, today actually no more mystery. Let's clear that. Actually today I unbox a camera stand. The beauty of the camera stand is the price of the camera stand is under 200. Actually it is very cheap, and as you can see this is a branded here. Yeah, I buy it from Flipkart. So no more talk, let's unpack. In previous video I unpack from a scissors, but today I use blade. So okay, as you can see here I come out the box. So this is the box. Okay, and this is the Flipkart uh, have some very damage resistance systems. This is okay, let's come out. Okay, so actually this comes with a 10 days replacement guarantee. So if you have any problem between 10 days, so no more to worry, you can easily change this. As you can see, this is holding DSLR camera, phones, any type of product. So okay, this is the key features. High quality resistance material, it's also calibrated 360-degree. So okay, let's unpack. This so okay friends, this is the stand. So how we fit that? These three sticks are foldable, so that means okay, okay, let's stand between. Okay, As you can see, this easily can stand. Okay, and this is the nut. As previously I can say, the beauty of the product is this is under 200 rupees, so you can easily buy it from Flipkart. Okay, so here you have a adjustable pin. That means if you have a pull this out, as you can see, pull this out, pull this in, pull this out, in. Okay, here you can adjust the stand size. So this is all the camera stand under 200 rupees. So if you like this, you can buy it from actually I don't find it or good and at Amazon, so you can also buy it from Flipkart, and there are many offline markets that offer this product, so you can find or buy from that. So okay, goodbye. And from another friends is another message is I unbox my videos from my left hand. I hold my phone from left hand. From today I use this camera stand holding. So okay, goodbye.